All right, for the intermediate value theorem. Oh my goodness. What we're saying is that over some x value, so let's just say we're starting at, I don't know, let's say the x value is 2. Let's say this x value is 6. If I said that some function at 2 is going to be some positive number, what does that mean? That means that your y value is a positive number, or your y value is ending up somewhere up here. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter where. Could be there, could be there, could be here, whatever. That means this point here with the x value of 2 and the y value just being positive, and the other x value, let's use purple here. Gives you a negative, let's say it's like down here. That means at some point, if I'm trying to get from the red to the black dot, at some point I'm going to have to cross the x-axis. Specifically for this class, when we're looking at these functions, they have to pass the vertical line test. So it's going to look something like this, maybe something like this, maybe something like this, right? But that's passing the vertical line test. Something like this. So if I know that in between, if I know that these x values, one's giving me a positive, one's giving me a negative, and I know that this is continuous, that means my 0 has to fall in between 2 and 6. That's what the intermediate value theorem is saying. All right, so let's just keep it nice and simple. If I have some function like negative x plus 4, let's say, and I am putting 2 into the function, I would get negative 2 plus 4 gives me 2, right? Some positive. So I know that it's somewhere above x-axis, right? So that would be, let's pretend to do this right here. So let's see. All right, and then I use that same function, and let's put a 6 in there. Negative 6 plus 4 gives me a negative 2. So if I'm above the x-axis at 2 and I'm below x-axis, right, because I got a negative, that just means that on this interval, 2, 6, there must be a 0. There must be somewhere that it's crossing the x-axis. All right, there must be a 0 here because we know that this is a continuous function. So even if it goes like this, whatever, it's got to fall in between 2 and 6. Okay, so tomorrow you're just going to put whatever interval I give you. You're going to put 2 into the function. We're going to put 6 into the function. One should be positive, one should be negative, and that will let you know that by the intermediate value theorem that there is a 0 in between those two x values.